How to order new Cash App card. Go ahead and pull up Cash App on your phone. See that little card icon on the bottom menu? It's the second one in. Give that a tap. Now, before we look at the designs, we need to talk about security. If your old card is missing or stolen, do this first. Scroll down and hit Lock Card. Seriously, do it right now so nobody can touch your money while you wait for the new one. All right, let's talk cost. Your very first card is totally free. If you're replacing a basic card, it's only $5, which isn't too bad. When you're ready to build your new card, scroll to the very bottom and tap Design a New Card. This is where you choose your vibe. They have standard colors, glitter, pink, and even mood-changing options for $5. They do offer heavy metal cards at the bottom if you want to spend more, but the basic ones are honestly great. Pick your base and then hit Personalize Card. You can doodle on it, write your name, or drop in emojis. The best part? Customizing it is completely free. Take a look at the preview on your screen. Happy with it? Cool. Tap Order Card at the bottom. Double-check your shipping address on the next screen and hit Next. For shipping, you have two routes. Standard delivery is completely free. If you're in a massive rush, you can drop $15 to expedite it. For this tutorial, let's just choose the free standard shipping and hit Next. Last step, do a quick final review of the design and the price tag. Everything look good? Tap Confirm Order. Boom, you are all set. Now that your card is ordered, you'll need to link your bank account to actually fund it. Check out my next video right here where I show you exactly how to add a debit card to Cash App in under a minute. See you there.